What do you do when you see the zero and alif here? And how do you pronounce it? Well, let's jump right in. I'm your guy, Al Rahim with Quran Flow. Now, when you see what looks like the zero here, zero and alif, it basically means zero. Cancel it out. It's not there. Exit. Right? So we're not going to say, which is very common, we hear, ana, right? Because it looks like you got a noon with a sound followed by a stretch, right? A simple stretch. Nah. But the zero here basically cancels it out. So read it with me. Do not stretch it. So it's going to sound وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدتُّمْ. Now, why is this important? This is not, I'm trying to gear you up. I'm trying to get you ready for every portion that, or every example of this that you're going to come across in your journey with the Quran. So you will see this in many other places. So here, it's in the middle of a verse. Sometimes you might see it at the end of a verse. Sometimes it might be in the middle of a verse and you want to stop on it. Well, what do I do there? Follow along with me. When you stop on this, you pronounce it. If you continue the recitation, you are going to drop it. Hence, you're going to cancel it, hence a zero. Now, just for demonstrative purposes, we're going to read this in two ways for you. You're going to stop on it. وَلَا أَنَا. All right, and you want to go back to the beginning of the verse now and continue the entire verse. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدتُّمْ. Now let's read this entire portion together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. Beautiful. That was perfect. Remember, zero and alif, you cancel it. Except, and this is the rules. Zero and alif, you cancel it, but if you are stopping on it, you pronounce it. If you love this rule and you want to learn about other Tajweed rules in depth, visit us at QuranFlow.org and sign up and enroll in our next semester.